By the end of the video, we'll know about Pike push-up workout benefits. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into a fantastic workout that's perfect for targeting the upper body, the Pike push-up. Trust me, this exercise is a game changer for building strength and endurance. Maximize your gains with Dymatize, ISO 100 hydrolyzed protein powder, and Optimum Nutrition Gold Standard 100% whey protein powder. With quality ingredients and delicious flavors, fuel your workouts and recovery. Find the links in the description and take your fitness journey to the next level. The beauty of Pike push-ups is that they work several muscles, including your shoulders, triceps, abs, and even your hip flexors. And the best part, you can do them anywhere with no equipment needed. So let's take a closer look how to execute this awesome exercise properly. 1. Start in a high plank position with your hands shoulder width apart and your feet hip width apart. Make sure your body forms a straight line from head to toe. 2. Keeping your core engaged, lower your body by bending your elbows and hinging at the hips simultaneously. Your support fuels my passion for creating valuable health and fitness content. Hit that like button and subscribe to keep the motivation going and unlock more inspiring videos, just like this one. 3. Continue lowering until your arms are straight again, and you form a 90-degree angle at the hips. Think downward dog pose. 4. Engage your core to bring yourself back up to the starting position, keeping your arms straight throughout the movement. 5. Repeat for as many reps as you'd like. Remember to maintain proper form throughout each rep to avoid injury and ensure you're targeting the right muscles. So what are you waiting for? Give Pike push-ups a try and feel the burn in no time. Thanks for tuning in today. And don't forget to follow and subscribe for more awesome workout tips and hacks. Until next time, happy exercising.